Hello and welcome everyone back to another video. This is a different video. You guys wanted a story time, so I'm gonna do a story time. So for this story, this was 3 years ago. This is like October 2017. So like a few years ago. This is a story about how I got bitten by a staffy dog on the thigh. I've not had a more traumatic experience than this. It's the worst story to tell. But anyway, set the scene. I was a bit of a lazy gets the lamb. I would always want to get the bus home, but this time I wasn't able to. The money, so I had to walk home. And on my way home, literally approached this guy with a dog, a Staffordshire dog. It was a bit of a blur. I can't really remember what happened much, but I may have kneed the dog in the head or like close to, and the dog jumped up and bit me in the thigh. So then I got. I want to show you, but I can. Oh, I can't. But the mark still lies. But anyways, so yeah, we went, got travelled to Torbay Hospital, and as always, I was like, oh, you got to wait a bit for A&E. Didn't want to do that, or you can travel to the hospital. Preferred to go to the hospital, so did that. We got to Newton Abbot Hospital instead. So Newton Abbot Hospital. And then yeah, you put like, what was it, like 5 stitches into my leg, into where it was, stitch it back together again. And then so yeah, and then yeah, put it back together basically with stitches. And then about, I think it was like a week later or something, I can't remember, I put about a week later, went back to the hospital, and then he removed the stitches, and yeah, so remove the stitches, and yeah, stitches put in, and then like a week later, he removed, like, same guy I think it was, removed the stitches, and yeah, back to normal. Obviously clean it for any like infection from the bite, but even 3 years later, and the bite still lies, still there, lies with me. So let's have a look. So it's like yeah, so it's still there. And 3 years later, Let me show you. It's still like, oh, still like, don't know if you can see that. It's basically, yeah, that mark there, yeah. So, like, 3 years later, it's still there. So that was a quick story. So yeah, if you have enjoyed, let me know, I guess. I think it's quite fun. So yeah, story time. Love it that much. I don't know if you hear that, but of course ambulance had to come over this time. But yeah, so if you did enjoy, like, I guess, show support. I don't know, I think it was really fun. So no, tell me what you thought, and maybe more stories to tell. So that was like first story. Do have more, but that's probably the best story to tell. Probably I do have a few stories, but not very good ones. I guess that's like one of the best stories, I guess. So if you did enjoy, make sure to, yeah, tell me if you liked it. I think this was fun, the story time, and a bit more about me and personal side of it. And yeah. So thank you so much, everyone. Just tell me what you thought of this, and I might, you never know, might consider doing this again. So anyway, it's good. So if you did like, so leave a like, subscribe if you want to. I mean, I'm telling you to, but show the support, and that gives motivation, really, doesn't it? And inspiration to do more videos for you, which I think is good. So if you like, tell me if you like this, and I might do more. But anyway, I will see you all later for another video.